Underneath the silver moon, our hearts align. In the quiet of the night, your eyes shine. Every whispered secret or soft embrace, with you by my side, I found my place. The world fades away, it's just you and me. In this moment, I'm finally free. So let's dance to the rhythm of our hearts. Together forever, we'll never be apart. With every step, every glance, we ignite. Our love is a fire burning so bright. In this eternal dance, we'll sway and spin. With you in my arms, I know I'll always win. Days turn into nights, seasons change, but my love for you will never feel strange. Through every storm and sunny day, I promise to love you in every way. Your laughter is my melody, sweet as a song. In the symphony of love we both belong. So let's dance to the rhythm of our hearts. Together forever, we'll never be apart. With every step, every glance, we ignite. Our love is a fire burning so bright. In this eternal dance, we'll sway and spin. With you in my arms, I know I'll always win. So let's dance to the rhythm of our hearts. Together forever, we'll never be apart. With every step, every glance, we ignite. Our love is a fire burning so bright. In this eternal dance, we'll sway and spin. With you in my arms, I know I'll always win. When the night is dark and the road feels long, I'll be your light, your favorite song. Hand in hand through thick and thin. With every heartbeat, our love will begin. We'll write our story page by page. With love as our ink, we'll break every cage. In the garden of dreams, where our hopes reside, every flower blooms with you by my side. We'll chase the sunsets and catch the stars. No distance can separate, no bow can scar. With every sunset glow, our love will grow. In this beautiful journey, together we flow. So let's dance to the rhythm of our hearts. Together forever, we'll never be apart. With every step, every glance, we ignite. Our love is a fire burning so bright. In this eternal dance, we'll sway and spin. With you in my arms, I know I'll always win. So take my hand and hold it tight. In this dance of love, we find our light. Through every heartbeat, in joy and in strife. With you, my darling, I found my life. Forever we'll dance, make this moment last. In the book of our love, we'll write our own past. Our hearts in sync, a beautiful trance. Together forever, in this eternal dance. In the silence before the dawn, where the shadows and the dreams are drawn, we gather strength, we raise our voice. In the echoes of a whispered choice, the world is vast, a canvas wide. With every heartbeat, we'll take the ride. Through the storms and through the flames, we'll rise anew, unbroken, untamed. With every tear we find our way, turning darkness into light of day. Our spirits soar, unchained, unbound. In the heart of chaos, hope is found. We're chasing horizons where the sky meets the sea. With our dreams as our compass, we'll set ourselves free. Through the valleys of doubt, over mountains of fear, we'll light up the night. Our vision is clear. Together we'll run where the wild winds blow. Chasing we'll find the strength within us. We'll keep holding on. In the silence, hear the thunder, feel the fire ignite. Together we are fearless, we'll rise up and fight. For every moment lost, there's a moment to gain. In the heart of the struggle, we'll dance in the rain. We're chasing horizons where the sky meets the sea. With our dreams as our compass, we'll set ourselves free. Through the valleys of doubt, over mountains of fear, we'll light up the night. Our vision is clear. Together we'll run where the wild winds blow. Chasing horizons, we'll never let go. So here's to the journeys, the paths yet to find. With every heartbeat, we're leaving fear behind. In the embrace of the stars, where our spirits can roam, we'll chase these horizons, together we're home. We're chasing horizons where the sky meets the sea. With our dreams as our compass, we're finally free. Late night city, neon glow, heartbeats racing, ready to go. The world's a canvas, painted bright, bright. We're dancing shadows, lost in the night. Every heartbeat's a countdown, feel the magic spinning around. We'll chase the stars, let go of the past. In this electric moment, we'll make it last. So grab my hand, let's break away. No regrets in this wild ballet. We'll write our story page by page. With every laugh we'll set the stage. We're living in electric dreams, chasing the fire bursting at the seams. With every whisper, every scream, with every laugh we'll set the stage. Feel the rhythm, let it ignite. Together we'll shine, shining so bright. In this moment we're alive. Electric dreams, we will thrive. The music's pumping, hearts align. In the crowd, you're forever mine. Lost in the sound, we'll take the lead. This love's a wildfire, it's all we need. We'll dance through shadows, light the way. In the chaos, we'll always stay. With every glance, a spark ignites. We're the champions of these nights. So grab my hand, let's break away. No regrets in this wild ballet. We'll write our story page by page. With every laugh we'll set the stage. We're living in electric dreams, chasing the fire bursting at the seams. With every whisper, every scream, with every laugh we'll set the stage. Feel the rhythm, let it ignite. Together we'll shine, shining so bright. In this moment we're alive. Electric dreams, we will thrive. When the world gets heavy and shadows fall, we'll rise together, we'll never stop. With every heartbeat, we're breaking through. This is our anthem, me and you. So let's light the night with colors so bold. With every story together we'll unfold. No limits here, just endless skies. And this electric love will always rise. Dreams, chasing the fire bursting at the seams. With every whisper, every scream, we're unstoppable, we're a dream team. Feel the rhythm, let it ignite. Together we'll shine, shining so bright. In this moment we're alive. Electric dreams, we will thrive. So here we are under the stars. This love's a journey, it's written in the bars. With every heartbeat we'll break the night. In electric dreams everything feels right. Forever we'll dance, forever we'll glow. In this electric world we'll let it flow. We're living in electric dreams, together forever, or so it seems. When the stars light up your eyes, I see the universe deepen in your smile. Every shadow fades and time stands still. In this moment, it's just you and me, wrapped in a dream where the world is free. Whispers in the moonlight, hearts intertwined, lost in the magic, our souls combined. Every beat of my heart sings your name. In this dance of love, we're forever the same. So hold me close, let the world fade away. In your arms is where I long to stay. Through the fields of wildflowers we roam. With every gentle breeze I feel at home. Your laughter echoes like a sweet refrain. With you, my darling, I'll never feel pain. We'll write our story in the softest embrace. Every touch ignites a spark, a warm trace. Whispers in the moonlight, hearts intertwined, lost in the magic, our souls combined. Every beat of my heart sings your name. In this dance of love, we're forever the same. So hold me close, let the world fade away. In your arms is where I long to stay. Time can't measure the depth of our dreams. In this love so pure, nothing's as it seems. With each passing moment, I believe it's true. A love like ours will always renew. Through stormy nights and sunny days, together we'll wander forever ablaze. As the dawn kisses the night goodbye, I'll treasure your warmth, never asking why. In the tapestry of life, you're my favorite thread. With you, every challenge feels easier to tread. Let's build a future hand in hand. In this beautiful journey, together we'll stand. Whispers in the moonlight, hearts intertwined, lost in the magic, our souls combined. Every beat of my heart sings your name. In this dance of love, we're forever the same. So hold me close, let the world fade away. In your arms is where I long to stay. So here's my promise, my heart in your care. In this life and the next, I'll always be there. With whispers in the moonlight, let love be our guide. Forever and always with you by my side. In this timeless romance, our spirits will soar. With every sweet whisper, I'll love you more. In the silence before the dawn, where the shadows and the dreams are drawn on, we gather strength, we raise our voice. In the echoes of a whispered choice, the world is vast, a canvas wide. With every heartbeat, we'll take the ride. Through the storms and through the flames, we'll rise anew, unbroken, untamed. With every tear we find our way, turning darkness into light of day. Our spirits soar, unchained, unbound. In the heart of chaos, hope is found. We're chasing horizons where the sky meets the sea. With our dreams as our compass, we'll set ourselves free. Through the valleys of doubt, over mountains of fear, we'll light up the night, our vision is clear. Together we'll run where the wild winds blow. Chasing horizons, we'll never let go. Through the echoes of forgotten song, we find our way where we belong. In the whispers of the night, we'll ignite. With every step, we'll chase the light. Fires of passion burn in our souls. With every heartbeat, we'll reach our goals. No more shadows, no more chains. In the tapestry of dreams, love remains. With every tear we find our way, turning darkness into light of day. Our spirits soar, unchained, unbound. In the heart of chaos, hope is found. We're chasing